In this video, I am going to show you the best way to scan documents on your Android device. Welcome back to the tutorial lab. A dedicated scanner is still great to have if you frequently need to scan a large handful of documents. But using your phone also works great if you only have a couple of documents to scan every now and then. If you are using an Android device, the best way to scan document is through the Google Drive app. Open the Google Drive app. Tap the plus button in the lower right corner in the screen. When the menu slides up from the bottom, select Scan. It may ask for permission to access the phone's camera. If so, tap on Allow. When you are ready to scan your document, fill up the screen with the document as much as you can and tap the Capture button. You can also shed a little light on the document by tapping the flash icon next to the Capture button if your device has a flash. After you scan the document, a preview of it will immediately appear. Don't worry if it looks like most of the document is cut off. This is where the crop tool comes into play. Tap on it to make cropping adjustment. Tap, hold and drag on the dots to change the area that is scanned. Once finished, tap on the check mark or tap on the Done button. Tap the plus icon to add more pages to the document. To redo a scan, tap the circular arrow in the middle. Tap the Save icon to finish and upload the document to Google Drive. Type the name of the document and tap Save from the bottom of your screen. From the three-dot button here, you will find the menu. From here, you can copy link to send someone, make a copy, send a copy, open, download to your device, or rename the file again. Uploaded scans are added to the Google Drive as PDF. You can move, rename, or delete any of your scanned document by clicking the three dots next to the file's name. You can also share your scanned document from this menu by tapping on Share Link. This will share a link to the document on Google Drive, while Send a Copy will allow you to share the actual file over email. Send it to Dropbox and more. By this way, you can scan your every document of your daily need. That was our today's video. Hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful for you, please give a like, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Get connected with the tutorial lab. Thanks for watching.